In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off switch control in iPhone. Alright, so I'm starting right here on my iPhone, and the first thing I'm doing is opening up the settings app. I tap on that gear icon, give it a moment to load, and once I'm inside, I'm looking through the list of options on the screen. From here I scroll down until I see accessibility, and once I find it, I tap on it to go inside. Now I'm in the accessibility menu, and I'm scanning through the options until I spot switch control. When I see it, I tap on switch control, and that takes me straight into the settings page for it. Alright, now that I'm here on the switch control screen, I can see the main toggle labelled switch control. This is what I'm looking for, so I go ahead and tap the toggle to turn it off. The change happens immediately, so there's nothing else I need to confirm or save. Once that's done, I pause here for a moment just to make sure the toggle stayed disabled and everything looks the way I want. I can stay on this screen or back out whenever I'm ready, since everything updates automatically. Now I'm backing out step by step, heading back through the menus, and that's really the entire process. Anytime you want to revisit it, just open settings, go into accessibility, tap switch control, and toggle it off again if needed. If I leave it disabled, I'll usually take a second navigating around just to feel comfortable with the change before moving on. It's simple to return here later and turn it back on if I decide I want to use it again. And that's all there is to it. You've now seen how to turn off switch control on your iPhone, and once you've gone through it once, it becomes quick and easy to find and adjust whenever you need.